Warm-Up is the world's best and trusted underfloor heating brand, with more than 2.5 million installations in 72 countries. From year 2008, Magnet Group successfully installed more than 30,000 plus Warm-Up electric Hamam in commercial, residential and religious places all over Kashmir Valley. Warm-Up is UK's most trusted and best-selling manufacturer of electric underfloor heating system. Established in 1994, we are the trust of million customers worldwide. Offering the best products backed by market-leading warranties with stringent safety tests that are approved according to British, European and international standards. The thinnest dual fluoropolymer coated heating system, sturdy fiberglass mesh with pressure sensitivity. Ideal for new build and renovation projects. Auto-regulated and auto shut-off. 100% waterproof, safe to install in bathrooms and wet areas. 10-year replacement guarantee with lifetime service warranty. Heat retention backup up to 8 hours after power cuts. Pocket-friendly and smart meter-friendly. Service of our product by our trained and experienced professionals is just a call away. Make your home winter-ready and install Warm-Up electric floor heating system today.